Hey, man.
Hey, Doug. Good morning. How you doing, man?
Good.
Okay. I have some bad news for you today.
Now what? I can't work like this!
It's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around.
Good morning, guys. So many of you have seen what Hurricane Ian did to Southwest Florida. Absolutely devastated our beautiful area. But now we're in the aftermath. Now we're in the cleanup phase. This is where the real work begins. So we are headed over this morning to check on a property for some clients and friends of ours. And Doug, why don't you tell them a little bit about this situation?
Sure. So we had a friend call us from up north, and they had a relative here who had a home here, who's elderly, and unfortunately she's not in good health, so they had to put her into a assisted living situation up north, and they don't have the ability to get down here. They don't have the ability to find contractors and deal with all the issues that we're having here in South Florida.
Right, guys. So that's where we come in. You know, they contacted us. We're their boots on the ground. We are headed over to meet with the contractor this morning so they can get started pulling things out of there. You probably see a U-Haul trailer behind us here. We're going to go ahead and help them salvage anything that can be saved here, and everything else will be thrown away and or donated to some other people who lost absolutely everything.
Yep.
Let's get to work.
To bring you guys up to speed, when we first got to the property, it was much, much worse than what we expected. Years of personal belongings were ruined. There was saltwater gunk all over the floors, and sadly, everything in the home, including all furnishings and all personal belongings, were a total loss. So when we reported to the family, they asked us if we were interested in buying the home or listing it for sale. So after running some numbers and talking to the family, we decided the best way to help was to move forward with purchasing the property. So the house itself is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,500 square foot, and it's a pool home that was built in the 1970s. It was time to roll up our sleeves and start our clean out and demo process.
You just gotta do this today. Cut this.
Yeah.
You know this. That one is a color inch.
Okay.
Okay, we just gotta tear out all this.
This is all plaster.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man. It's hard to take it out this one. You see, with the hammer.
Okay.
And we had to take it out the nails today. If we got time today.
Okay.
We tried to take it out this one today. Those cabinets.
Taking the cabinets out today?
Out.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Oh,
The pool cage. Yeah. All this come out. We had to clean out all this. All this. And that's it.
All right, awesome.
As we finalized the removal of the personal belongings and debris, including the removal of a car, we entered the next stage of the renovation, which is the remediation phase. We cut out and removed 4 feet of drywall, and then it was time to bring in the professionals to follow the proper protocol to get everything cleaned up and dried out. And once the dry out was completed, we hired an independent mold expert to test the property and give us a clean bill of health to move forward with putting everything back together.
So just got a call from Hector, and he said that his work in stage 1 is completed, and we're heading over to Cape Coral to check it out.
That was fast. I'm excited to see what they got done. 3 days. They knocked it out.
Yep. Let's go see. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. That's
Way different than what it used to look like. This is what it looks like with 4 foot of drywall out.
I don't think we've ever had a project that was all the way down to the studs before.
Yeah, this is crazy.
This is so crazy. Look at this.
It's a lot of contrast between what it was looking like and what it is now, right?
Yeah.
So the insulation's been ripped out. The floors are a lot cleaner. The 2x4s and everything look good now, where before they were just kind of, crappy looking.
The floors were terrible. So there was like mud and muck and whatever just caked on this tile. It's like really clean now.
Yeah.
It looks great.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking we have a lot on our plates here.
We do, yeah. Got to do with trim work, need new doors.
We're going to need to replace these light fixtures and fans, obviously repaint everything.
Gonna have to
Did you say trim work, baseboards?
Baseboards, we're going to need to get flooring people in here to get these floors looking like new. Mm-hmm. So
get this drywall put back together.
What are you thinking? Paint colors. You got that picked out?
I mean, not yet. I need to go look, but I have a general idea, I think.
All right.
But we'll have new cabinetry, new fixtures, new sink. It's really going to look pretty in here when we get done with it.
Okay.
Okay,
So
everything's out of here.
right, looks way different now.
Wow.
Holy smokes. There was so much stuff in here.
And it's just completely empty.
Yep. All right, so what are we going to do? What do you think?
Well, we're going to replace drywall. We're going to replace paint, trim, baseboards. We're going to put in new cabinets. We really need new countertops.
What do you think we should do on countertops? Granite?
We may go granite. What do you think?
I think so too.
I think quartz is really in too, so we need to look at some options there.
Okay.
But we'll need to put in a new sink, and we'll need new fixtures, new fans, new lighting, new appliances. What else do we need in here?
I think that about covers that. So what are we going to do out here?
Well, we're going to obviously have to repaint the whole exterior of the home. Mm-hmm. I have some colors in mind, actually.
You would have some colors in mind already.
I'll tell you about one of them, and the other one I'm going to keep it a secret, okay?
Okay.
I'll tell you about probably the most bold of the two, which is like an iron color.
Iron color? Mm-hmm. Is that like a dark color?
It is. It's kind of like a dark grayish, blackish, like iron.
So she's fallen in love with these trending, dark colors, and we haven't done that before.
I know, but they're trending, and I'm kind of I wear a lot of dark colors. I like it.
I guess I gotta trust you, huh?
You're gonna have to trust me on this one.
Hey, man.
Hey, Doug. Good morning. How you doing, man? Good. Okay. I have some bad news for you today.
Now what?
Unfortunately, we didn't have enough granite to complete the vanity tops. But don't worry, I got you covered because we have a plan B for it, and I'll show you when we get back to the shop.
Okay, man. I trust you. Okay, so we just met with our granite guy, and he said we don't have enough of a slab now, which that actually sucks. Now we have to figure out what to do now. What do you think?
Yeah, so there's really no renovation that's perfect that doesn't run into some kind of issue. In this case, we thought we had enough granite for the kitchen and for the bathrooms, but it seems like we've come up short. So now we're going to head over to his shop, and he's going to show us some very close options so that we can still get this job completed on time.
After a quick trip to the granite yard, we made some new selections for the bathrooms and got everything right back on track.
Oh,
look at
wow.
this. This looks so amazing.
It looks awesome. Wow. I really like how this turned out.
It's so beautiful. Like when I look around in here, it's amazing to see how far it's come, from being all opened up walls with studs everywhere,
right,
to being this beautiful finished perfected look.
Looks so much better with drywall in here, doesn't it?
It does. It definitely does.
I like the paint colors you picked out.
Yeah, so I just went with, Sherwin-Williams, of course, guys. So on the walls, I just really wanted something very soft and neutral throughout the whole home. So I went with Drift of Mist, and then I just went with an extra white on the baseboard so that those pop and just look really clean.
And how about that staging?
Oh, the staging is so incredible, you guys. It was a splurge for us, but a necessary one. You know, we've been in real estate for a long time, so we know that homes that are staged sell faster and sell for more money. And our company here locally is Stage and Amaze, and I have to say they knocked it out of the park with this one.
They did. It's night and day. Oh, wow.
Look at the primary bedroom.
I love the master bedroom. Let's take a look at the master bath. That's one of the things I'm most proud of.
I love how this bathroom turned out. So guys, this is a 1970s house, so it does have smaller bathrooms and things like that. But I think we really did a great job with the space that we had to work with. Yep. And here, this revamp of the vanity, it looks so beautiful. I really wanted to modernize it, but also give it kind of a timeless elegance that will last forever. This look will be in for a long time.
Wow, this shower is night and day to what it used to look like, isn't it?
It is so beautiful. I'm super happy with how this turned out. I love the big, huge tiles that we used in here. They look really clean and beautiful. This shower completely looked naked before the glass shower door went on, so that is definitely one of my favorite sizzle features of the house.
Okay, so in here in the kitchen, wow, did it turn out awesome or what?
I love this kitchen. It's so beautiful. It really, really turned out amazing.
Yes, we went in with all new cabinetry, new appliances, and I really love that backsplash that you picked up.
I do too. I'm kind of obsessed with this. This is a herringbone backsplash that we went with, and it just really turned out amazing.
And the granite?
The granite,
yeah,
yes, both of these complement each other really well. This is a level 4 granite.
The guest bathroom turned out really nice. I love how everything matches the master.
Yeah, so we just did a continuation, guys, of the tile and the accent wall in here. We went in with the same rain shower head. One thing that's a little bit different is this bathroom does have a tub in it. So if people have little ones or pets, sometimes a tub can still come in handy, right?
Yeah, that was a good decision that you made.
Oh my gosh, look at the pool. It's so sparkly and beautiful. This area was a mess out here, guys. We had a collapsing pool cage. The pool was completely black and full of all kinds of debris and stuff from the hurricane.
Yeah, there was a tree down that fell down on top of the pool cage, knocked down some gutters, and it was just a complete train wreck out here. And then on top of that, the pool was black and we couldn't tell anything that was in there. We didn't know if there was dead bodies hidden in there.
Yeah, so we had that drained, we had it acid washed, and we had it resurfaced, guys, and it sparkles. It looks like a brand new pool.
Yes, that was quite the project. I'm glad we did that. Wow, what a project this was, guys.
She had a lot of stuff, guys. You've got to understand that this home was full. So just getting it to the point of being able to put it back together was a big deal, right?
Absolutely.
Every project has its challenges, and this one was definitely no different than that, but we jumped over those hurdles, and here we are at the finish line.
Our purchase price was $150,000, and we spent $100,000 renovating the property, making our total investment $250,000. We listed the property at $420,000, and when we subtract our closing cost of $20,000, that leaves us with $150,000 in potential profit.
Yes, and if you need help with a project, reach out to us. Give us a call, shoot us a text or an email.
If you know someone that's still in a situation from the hurricane or just in a situation in general, we would love to help them out. Go ahead and like this video, guys. Subscribe to our channel, and if you know someone that could find this valuable, please feel free to go ahead and share it with them.
I'm Doug Leugers.
I'm Lona Leugers.
Thank you so much for watching.
We'll see you next week.
We lost our purpose.